nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and we back to slay today. What's up, everybody? I hope y'all all are having like a really great day. When you're watching this video, you know, staying positive, motivated, out the way, minding your business, all of that cool stuff. But mostly, hope you all are having like a blessed day. About to do a wig try on, and this one is for my salt and pepper ladies, my gray hair ladies, and even if you don't have salt and pepper natural hair, you can still wear a salt and pepper wig. I actually worked with this company quite a few times. They have some amazing units, very affordable, great packaging, and what more can I say but Luvwinhair. Your girl is coming through with the salt and pepper, okay? Other than that, how's y'all day? What y'all up to? You know what I'm saying? It's about to be summer heat. We gotta look cute. So Luvwinhair does offer not just salt and pepper wigs, but they do also offer dark brown, black. They also offer other color wigs as well. With your unit, you're gonna get one of these nice little care packages, some clips, an HD wig cap, a melting band, a comb. The unit is pre-everything, which means, girl, you can just put her on and go. So this is what she's looking like straight out of the bag. Of course, I'm going to be using some products just to make sure that the curls are more defined, but she is a 5x5 closure unit, and she does come with a removable elastic band, which is also adjustable. She does have 2 combs on the sides and also a comb in the nape. Along with that, there is some rubber gripping, so that way the unit will stay flatter to your head. Let's get into this.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah, I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, a lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
All right, y'all, all done with my unit. Girl, let me just tell y'all, it did take me a minute to decide on what shirt I wanted to change into. I like the yellow blouse, but girl, it just made me look a little bit more older. And even though the hair is salt and pepper, I don't really want to be aged too much. You can definitely spiral curl her, flat iron her, and once you go ahead and wash her, the curls will bounce back. You really don't have to style anything. You can take her out and wear her, but I do like my curls and my part to go a certain way. Okay, girl? I wanted the curls to just drop a little bit and give it more length, if you know what I mean. It fits really great. I do notice when it's a salt and pepper unit, you do have to do a little bit more extra just so that way you can see the scalp in the parting. But the unit came out great. If you do like salt and pepper hair, then you might want to check out Luvwin. They have loads of different units from straight hair to body wave hair to curly hair to all that, girl, okay? Yes, like I said, I had to change that shirt because it was giving me like old grandma. And there's nothing wrong with an old grandma, but that's not she, and she is not that, okay? But I will definitely link everything down below for Luvwin. Let me know what you think. Do you rock salt and pepper hair? Is your natural hair salt and pepper? Do you love gray wigs, salt and pepper wigs? What is your take on salt and pepper wigs? Do you love a good easy wig? Because y'all know what I be saying all the time. I love me a good wig. Girl, I love a good wig. I did kind of do like the flip up in the front, so that way it just give it a little bit more pizzazz. But the part is definitely there, as you can see. But you can definitely part this in the circumference of 5x5, full, very salt and pepper. You can flat iron it, you can curl it, you can do a lot of different things with this unit, but just know that once you wash it, the curls or the waves will pop back. I will leave everything down below for you ladies. Let me know what you think, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff, and I will definitely see y'all in the next one.